Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you are here today because what I'm about to share is something that touches every single one of us. Have you ever wondered that why so many people, maybe even yourself, feel unhappy no matter what they achieve, no matter what they have, but still they are unhappy? कभी आप लोगों ने सोचा है इसके बारे में? So, if you stay till the end, I will share a powerful truth that might just flip the way you see your life. And first of all, let me tell you the harsh part of this is that it's not the life that makes us unhappy, it's the way we live it. So let's talk about this. Point number one is that we are unhappy because we are living for others instead of ourselves. So many people live their entire life based on what others expect. उनसे लोग क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं और अगर वो उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस पे पूरा उतर रहे हैं तो they think that they are happy, but they are not actually happy inside. So many people chase approvals, likes, validations, whether from parents, friends, family, society, or even strangers online. Because we post too many things and we want कि हमारे लाइक्स आए, हमारी चीज को शेयर किया जाए, लोग हमें पसंद करें. But here is the secret that when you live to please everyone else, you lose yourself. आप भूल जाते हैं कि आपकी अंदर वाली खुशी कौन सी है. आप लोगों को खुश करने में लग जाते हैं. Happiness comes when you build a life that feels right to you, not a life that just looks right to others. And the second point is that too many people are unhappy because they chase the things that don't actually matter. Like, look around you, okay? People are running after money. People are running after status, bigger houses, expensive cars, everything they have. But deep down, none of these bring lasting happiness. Is it so? Why? Because the moment you get them, your mind already wants the next thing. आप सोचते हैं कि अब मेरे पास ये नहीं था, ये आ गया है, तो अब मेरे पास नेक्स्ट चीज आ जानी चाहिए. अब मैंने ये अचीव करना है. और हम वो खुशी जिसमें अगर हमने कोई चीज पा ली है, तो हम जो है ना, उस खुशी को सेलिब्रेट करना भूल जाते हैं. हम लग जाते हैं अगली खुशी को ढूंढने के लिए. True happiness comes from meaning. True happiness comes from relationships. True happiness comes from growth, contributions, purpose. And if you ignore these, you can have everything and still feel empty. अंदर से आप बिल्कुल empty हैं, null. There is nothing inside you. You are not happy. You are not, बल्कि you are not actually happy. You are happy, but you are not actually happy. And the third point is that people are so unhappy because they are stuck in the past or they are worried about the future. People stay unhappy is because they are never here. They are either carrying it up the pain of yesterday or worrying about what has not even happened yet. But life is happening now. The present moment is all we actually own. The thing is that happiness is not found in memories or predictions. It's created right here in the small choices and every single day. This is the third point that why so many people are stuck in the past, why so many people are unhappy because they are stuck in the past or worried about the future. And the fourth point is that they are comparing their life with others. This is one of the biggest trap. Social media make us believe that everyone else is happier, everyone else is richer, everyone else is smarter और more successful than me. बैठे बैठे हम वहीं पर ये एक्सपेक्ट कर लेते हैं. And you know what? Comparison slowly kills joy. Always remember that people only show their highlight reels, not their struggles. एक रील को भी बनाने में जो हम देखते हैं विद इन 2 सेकेंड्स की वीडियो है या 3 सेकेंड्स की रील है, उसको देखने में तो सिर्फ 3 सेकेंड्स लगते हैं, लेकिन उसको बनाने में बहुत एफर्ट लगती है, बहुत स्ट्रगल्स लगती हैं, बहुत टाइम लगता है. The moment you stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else chapter 20, you will feel lighter, you will feel freer and more happier. So stop comparing your life with others. This is also the biggest or best reason that people are so unhappy in this life. And the fifth and most important point is that people are unhappy because they forget gratitude. Unhappiness grows where gratitude dies. Most of us are so focused on what we don't have that we forget what we already do have. Think about it, there is someone out there praying for the life you are living right now. Because the truth is that too many people live the life like us, ठीक है? और हम वो जिंदगी जीना चाहते हैं जो हमसे ऊपर वाले होते हैं. हम अपने ऊपर वालों को देखते हैं और हमसे नीचे वाले हमें देखकर खुश हो रहे होते हैं. लाइक एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं कि हम लोग उन जैसे हो जाएं. हम सब वी ऑल फॉरगेट ग्रेटिट्यूड. हम शुक्र करना भूल गए हैं. Gratitude doesn't mean that you stop growing. It just means you enjoy the journey. It just means you enjoy the journey instead of waiting for happiness at the finish line. And finish line never comes. आज हमने कुछ पा लिया, कल हमने सोचना है कि हमें ये चीज मिल जाए और फिर हमें वो चीज मिल जानी है, तो हमने अगली चीज की तरफ चले जाना है कि हमें अब ये चीज मिल जाए. जो चीज मिली है हमने उसमें खुश नहीं होना, हमने उसको एंजॉय नहीं करना, हमने उसको सेलिब्रेट नहीं करना. And this is very much important point that so many people are unhappy in their lives. And here is the secret that happiness is not something you chase. It's something you create daily by the way you live, the choices you make, and the way you see your life. If you keep waiting for someone or if you keep waiting for someday to be happy, you will stay unhappy forever. कोई इंसान आपको आगे खुश नहीं कर सकता. But if you choose gratitude, if you choose purpose, if you choose presence, you will realize that happiness was always in your hands. If this talk touched your heart, let me know in the comments. And let me know in the comments that why do you think most people feel unhappy? Please add some points in this video as well. I would love to read your thoughts. I would love to hear your stories or hear your thoughts. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe because we talk about motivations, emotional talks, and life lessons that can truly help you grow. And until next time, remember that happiness is not a destination. It's the way you walk through the life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. See you soon in the next video. Inshallah. Bye.